Hey everybody, Mr. Campbell here with another tutorial. I'm a former middle and high school English teacher, now working as an administrator, helping other teachers use technology in their classroom. So what we're going to look at today is we're going to look at Grid View. It's an extension created, we'll go into the information, but what this allows you to do is it allows you to view your entire class or your entire group in your Google Meet discussion. So currently, we can only see 4 people in a meeting, excuse me. Even if we change it to a different view, if you go down here and you hover here and you change it to a different layout, if you go to the sidebar layout, you're still only going to be able to see 4 other people in this side. So what Grid View allows you to do is it allows you to see everybody in your meeting and what they're doing. And the great thing about this is, right, is if you're a classroom teacher and you're meeting with, maybe half your class, or you have open office hours and 9 or 10 students come into the meeting, you want to be able to see all of them. And the reason why is you can see if people are raising their hand or if they have a question or if they have a comment, you can see everybody in the same view. So how we're going to do that is we're going to grab this Google Chrome extension here. So I'm going to open up a new window and I'm just going to type in Google Meet Grid View. There it is right there, grid extension. And it's right there, it's the top one right there. We're going to give the shout out right now. This is created by Ryan Myers. And here's all the information here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to add this to Chrome, and this little icon right here is going to pop up in our extensions. You can see a lot of the other extensions I have here, but this is going to pop up into our extension tab. So if we click add to Chrome, we're going to add the extension. It's going to pop up right there. You'll be able to see it's telling you everything that it's going to do. Now if we come back to our Meet here, and I'm going to refresh this page. I'm going to come back in the meeting, mute myself. I'm going to join now. You'll notice I have a new icon up here. And as of right now, the extension is turned off. So I'm still only seeing those 4 people, right? Once I click on it, I'm going to be able to see everybody in this view, and I can include myself in the grid. I can highlight speakers. So whoever's talking, there's a big orange box or a yellow or green box, depending on what you want. It comes around the people that are speaking. I can also limit it to people that only have video. So if somebody's just in the meeting, maybe they're on their phone driving and they have the video turned off, it's not going to show them in that grid view. Now, I'm going to show you what this looks like, and this is be a little bit meta. So if I add another window here, let's take the meeting information. You'll see what will happen is I'm going to pop up in this bottom right-hand corner. When I jump in the meeting, I'm going to mute this, join now. So you'll see I have grid view. So I have all 6 people here. It tells me there's 6 people in the meeting. If I want to turn that off, I would just unclick this, click here. I'm going to go back to whatever setting or view that I had before. Again, if I want to click it on, just click right here, and all 6 of the participants that are in this meeting will show up here. Again, this is the Google Meet Grid View extension that you can find in the Google Extension Store. Again, I appreciate you as an educator and what you're doing for kids at this time. I have 6 kids that are in public education, 2 in middle school, 4 in elementary. I love you, I appreciate you, and I'm glad that you're here.